Alright guys, for our fourth technique, tab and fold walls, you're basically going to start with a shape like this rectangle and create walls that go around it to create depth. You can start sort of just by a strip of paper here and fold it into the shape that you want. Like we said, we're going to do a rectangle or a square, so I just kind of folded that around. It sometimes is beneficial to leave a little extra to fold in so you can create like a tab that will keep it closed. And then, just like this paper has, you want to cut little notches in it and fold those notches down like that, so that when you close this, it gives you sort of a top layer here that will allow you to stick something on top of it. Without that, you would just have something like this. It doesn't give you much surface to attach anything onto. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this together. You sort of want to glue it in the corners. I'm going to use liquid glue for this one. Just a little tiny bit's all you'll need. And you only want it in the corners so that when I turn it like this and press it down, it will stay. There's one corner, just like that. And again in this corner, again, you only need a little bit of glue. So I'll turn it one more time, press it down, hold it there for a second or two to give the glue a chance to set in there. Then this one more corner here, right there. Then when I fold it over again, these tabs give us a place to sort of glue the corners or the sides together. There's that one, and the last one will close it, so I can actually do both sides, one, and then the beginning, or the first side, pull that open a little bit. There we go. So now I can close this off, press that down, hold it for just a second, and I'll press this side down too. So now I have sort of four walls because we folded them and we created our tabs, and then we just have the top to put on top of it. I don't mind that this has a little bit of an overhang. It's not this exact shape, but of course you could attach it and trim it down so it fits exactly on top. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on top of here. Don't need a lot. And you can attach the top just like that. So it sort of looks like a table. A little bit. Just like that. When you glue this down to your paper, you really can sort of just put a dot of glue in every corner. I know it's going to start drizzling sort of down into the center, but as soon as you flip it over, gravity will help you out a lot. It'll start to drip back down, and in a few seconds this will be dry right there to the box that you want it dried on. Okay,